Alright, today I have a Braun ThermoScan thermometer, and I'm going to show you how to change the thermometer from Celsius to Fahrenheit on this particular thermometer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the thermometer over, and there is a power button. Now I believe that if I hold the power button down for about 8 seconds, it should give me the option to switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now natively, when I got this device, it came with Celsius. So if you're not used to Celsius, or if you want to switch to Fahrenheit, you're going to have to do this, or vice versa. If you want to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius for some reason that it was set to Fahrenheit, you want to change it to Celsius, you're going to have to go through this step. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hold the button down, all right, and count to about 8 seconds, I believe it's going to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so you see that it took less than 8 seconds, and I'm holding the button down. Still, I'm holding the button down, and it's going from set to C, set to F, set to C, and whenever it gets to the setting that I want, whether it's Celsius or Fahrenheit, okay, if it gets to C, I release my finger off the button and it's set at Celsius, or if it gets to F, I release my finger off the button and it sets to Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's going to go from S, now it's F. All right, I want to get it to F. So I'm going to go past this cycle with C, and it's about to come on to F. Now watch this and release it. And it's set to Fahrenheit now. All right, now let's try it. I'm going to try to put it to Celsius, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to hold it down for, again, the number of seconds that I did before. Hold it down, 2, 3, 4. All right, so here it comes. It's going set. All right, I'm going to set it to Celsius once it gets through this cycle right here. It's going to Fahrenheit. All right, here it comes. All right, and Celsius, release. So now it's set to Celsius. All right, and that's how you switch it from Fahrenheit to Celsius and from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.